Today in this video, I'll be going to show you how to see your YouTube Wrapped in 2025. For that, you need to open your YouTube app like this and tap on U button, which means your profile like here. And from here, you could check that pop-up 2025 YouTube Wrapped below your account name. So if you can't get that pop-up or that specific notification or suggestion from there, all you need to do is that you need to go to the Chrome and search for youtube.com/recap. From here you could see that will directly show you your YouTube history, playlist, watch list and the liked videos or your YouTube Wrapped in 2025. If you not get here also, you need to go to the Play Store and make sure to search for YouTube and see whether your YouTube is on up to date or not. If not so, please wait for a few days because YouTube is being rolling out this feature globally and it may take some time for a few users. So this is how you could check your YouTube Wrapped 2025. Thank you.